What's up, LA Life Gang? It's your girl LA, and I am still eating right. Okay, I haven't had no fried foods. I have not had no fried chicken, nothing fried, no sodas. Okay, so I'm doing good. But anyway, my salastas. Me and my daughter about to get.
I'm so proud of myself.
No, she look pretty. I don't know why she. Hair is laid. Okay, but anyway, about to get salads. All right, come on, y'all. So it is cold out here. This girl taking forever. Here she comes. All right. Hi, thank you. No. What you want?
Exactly. That's what I thought.
Loaded up, girl. That salad is so fire. Now we're gonna get the fresh jalapenos. There we go. That salad was a hit. And we got Parmesan cheese. Don't be standing now. There we go. Blueberries. Come on now. And I like the avocado ranch. It was a pretty big salad, so I got 2 spoonfuls. And what else? Oh, avocado for my protein, no meat. I didn't want no meat on this. And I got artichokes. And then I'm going to get, I had got almond nuts and pumpkin seeds. Now she's mixing it up for me. This is the part I do like that they do, and you get to watch them do it. And then I went with I think it's like a wheat croissant. It's pretty good. Ooh, this salad about to be so fire. It's about to be fire. And here you have it. It is so good. We're enjoying it. Enjoying the new city, new area. Beautiful, beautiful. Also went to the gym afterwards. They had a massage, then back.
Whatnot. Yeah, so you wouldn't have to worry about that. Okay.